Updating your primary email on Venmo is a straightforward process. Follow these simple steps to ensure your account is linked to the correct email address. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a profile icon. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Email. In the Settings menu, look for the Email option. Tap on it to view your current email address and options for updating it. Step 4. Update your email. Enter your new primary email address in the provided field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure it is entered correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new email address, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to confirm the changes and update your primary email on Venmo. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email will be updated. Make sure to check your new email for any verification messages from Venmo.